All right, another one without equipment, except maybe a little box, some books, a step, any sort of a ledge, right? Reverse lunge. We do it all the time. This guy, all the time, right? Love reverse lunges, one of my favorite exercises. Right? We talk about that lots in other videos. But how do we progress that? Obviously, we can add load. Another way to progress it without load is to add range of motion. So using a box or a step. Again, something you probably see all the time, but are you getting the most out of it? So as we go down, we're trying to really get increased range of motion. Lovely dorsiflexion, knee flexion, hip flexion, staying nice and tall. And then I'm pushing super hard through the feet. The main thing, the key thing here is that I don't fall to the floor, right? I'm not just reaching that leg back and falling to the floor. Instead, I float and I keep that weight on the front leg. And then I push, driving through that front heel to come up evenly rather than pushing off the back leg. I'm not pushing through that back leg, I'm not using that back leg. It's all about the front leg. So float, as imagine you're going down in an elevator, even pace, drive through the heel, trying to keep it on that front leg, come back up again, even pace. All right, so that's our front foot elevated reverse lunge.